Enter your text here. Miniature boy girl fairy figurines accessories kit. Miniature fairy garden kit. Sweet daily life of cute little fairy and boy. The fairies and boys are hand painted and colored, and the cute and realistic face details include the warm yellow curly hair of the fairies wearing garlands and the light pink dress skirts, boys. How to use the butterfly. We come with 3 small circular stickers inside our product. 3 pieces stickers for you to put the butterfly on any way you like. 4 operational details can be zoomed in on when in use. Cute shirt and flower bud pants. Build your own fairy garden. This fairy garden accessories set comes with 19 pieces and they are easy to create an enchanting miniature landscape. Every single piece has a lot of details. These beautiful pieces will accent any fairy garden. Start your own fairy garden collection with more friends together. Perfect gift, whether it's for your children, grandchildren, wife, mother or friends. This fairy garden kit is a truly special gift for birthdays or Christmas. A wonderful addition to your outdoor garden or indoor decor and looks great on the lawn, in a flower pot or under a tree. Use your imagination to decorate freely.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.